What's going on, guys? It's HyperShadow92 here, and today we got a little bit of a quick unboxing here. Didn't exactly have time to set up, and I just received this in the mail after having it delivered from GameStop. Shantae have Genie Hero the Ultimate Edition. Since I didn't exactly have the physical, so I decided to change that around. I like physical games better, as you all already know, so I would only got me my physical version. I'm going to go ahead and do a bit of a quick unboxing here. Didn't exactly have time to set up to do a actual unboxing, so I just had to do a little quick record for this. Let's see. From what this is, we get the Day 1 limited edition. It includes exclusive art book and CD. And let's go ahead. Sorry for the interruption. I had to let my dog in, as you can see. In case for those who don't know, I got a Siberian Husky. Alright, let's see what we can pull out of here. Alright, we got Risky Beat CD. If I'm not mistaken, this is the same one that came with the... if I'm not mistaken, this is probably the same one that came with the one that was for first release for the PS Vita and the other releases. Go ahead and take a look inside here. If I can fight with the plastic. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed. Here we go. Yeah, this is basically the same as the others that came with the. Yeah, pretty cool. Let's go ahead and put this back in here. We'll lay this to the side. Whoa. Man, the art book, it's even got with those bumped up pictures on the front too. This feels very good. I'm really liking this art book. There's some real good stuff up in here. Ooh. Go ahead and enemies, stages, all that's up in here. Okay, this would be and here is the game itself. Use knife to get in here. There's the back of the game case, front, and we got the side. Let's open this bad boy. Oh, what do we have here? I know this is not what I think this is. Oh my god, it is a freaking instruction manual. Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? Guys, when is the last time we actually seen a game come with an actual instruction manual? This has actually blown my mind right here. This is exactly the best thing possible right now. And we got here, focus the game cart. I just never realized this. It's a little bitty focus. Shantae arts in the back of the cane art. I like that right there. That's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and put these back in here and put our prized instruction manual back in. And with this is the Shantae Genie Hero Ultimate Edition unboxing. A bit of a unexpected quick unboxing, really. Sorry for the delays of the video or anything like that. It's just I did not have time to even set up to get this thing even going the way it's supposed to. But other than that, this has been my quick unboxing on Shantae Genie Hero, the Ultimate Edition, Day 1 edition, if I might add that too. And without further ado, let's go ahead and wrap this video up to a close. And this is Hyper Shadow 92, and I am signing out. Peace.